Welcome to my channel Easy Way to Learn English. Today we will discuss use of article the. Article the is a definite article. The is used before a particular person or thing. The is used for both countable and uncountable nouns. Let's discuss some of the rules. It is used to refer to something specific or something mentioned before. For example, I'm eating the orange that you have brought. I met a boy. The boy was going to the market. It is used to refer to something that is the only one of its kind. Example, the sun is a star. The moon looks very beautiful. With names of rivers, mountains, oceans, group of islands and geographical areas. Examples, the Nile, the Mount Everest. With names of famous buildings and unique things. Examples, the Taj Mahal, the universe. With names of holy books. Example, the Bible, the Gita. With superlatives. Examples, the best boy, the most intelligent girl. With names of trains, newspapers, ships and aeroplanes. Examples, the Rajdhani Express, the Times of India. Like, comment and share this video.